forest appeared. It stood quiet and enwrapped in fog, as if the night had chosen to live there forever. If you stood still long enough, the bark began to glow faintly. Names drifted through the mist, not spoken aloud, but remembered by the forest itself. Once it learned your name, a silver butterfly floated through the dark, too bright to belong to the night. It moved slowly, as if it knew it was being followed. Always was. Mira stepped forward. The forest accepted her step and erased the one behind her. The path dissolved into mist, leaving no proof she had ever entered. From the shadows, a fox emerged. Its eyes burned with ancient fire. It did not hunt, it did not run. It only watched her and said, "The forest is dying." At the center stood the heart tree, cracked, hollow, leaking black smoke. Every root trembled, every leaf mourned. Forest was alive, and it was afraid. Mira touched the glowing wound. Light poured from her hand, spreading through roots and branches, pushing back the darkness. The forest breathed again. Mira felt herself fading. By morning, the forest stood calm and whole. Birds returned, mist lifted, but there were no footprints, no memories. No one recalled a girl named Mira, except the forest, which would remember her forever.